All right, y'all. Real deal. Willies at Akins. We got Dayton filming today, and we got Kevin Swindle, who actually is making me hurry up and video these trucks because he just sold this one. That's how it works here at Akins and Wild Willies. We sell them before we can even video them a lot of times. Velocity Blue, I know Kevin likes this one. I like it too. Very unique in both of these. And then the Space White. So we got two diamonds here that this one almost got away from me, y'all, without even getting it on film for you guys. What I like about both of these is a lot of y'all have been telling me too, real deal, run whether you do the A pillar, B pillar, and C pillar in a different color. Do it black. So this has been wrapped in a nice flat black color. It looks so clean. It kind of breaks everything up. You got these components are already black from Ford, and they scratch very easily. So if you have an F-150, these two areas right here scratch very easily, y'all. So we like to have these wrapped. It just has a different vibe to it. It looks really good. On the Velocity Blue also, it does not work on every color, but on a vibrant color, specifically a white or blue or red, this two-tone really works very nicely. Also here, and want to do some of this on Broncos, so stay tuned for that. Velocity Blue and Space White. Let me know what you think about Space White. This color is, it's not really underrated because once you see it, you know how legit it is, but a great color nonetheless. Velocity Blue too is a very bold color. I like both of these. Which one you like, Dayton? Which one?
Space White.
Dayton Space.
The blue.
Well, he's selling that one, so I think, is that because you like the blue? Kevin likes the blue. Kevin likes the blue. Let me know in the comments which one you guys like. Both of these are 302A XLT trucks. Great value in the package and contents they have. They got our Everest Edition package, 6-inch lift. It's essentially a zone lift with Fox shocks on both. And this is not the Fuel Rebel wheel, but it looks just like a Fuel Rebel. This is the Rocky Mountain Trucks version of the Fuel Rebel wheel on both of them, and both running 35, 12.5, 20 BFG all-terrain KO2 tires. A tried and true combo on both of these trucks. We know they were going to be a hit. Like, can't really mess it up. Let me know what you think about this upper component done versus not doing it like you've seen. On the inside, we've got leather to help accentuate it. WeatherTech floor liners. Got a custom exhaust out back. The power boards from Ant Research. Rear wheel well liners. Fox 2.0 shocks. On this one, we've got a trifold from Undercover, and then we've got a rolling lock retractable on the Velocity Blue. I love these exhausts. These are Gibson exhausts, dual pipe out the back. They're not too loud. It's not overdone, just enough. Matter of fact, Kevin, let's hear this. Let's hear this Gibson exhaust one time. Oh yeah. So on the mild to wild scale of the exhaust, we're not on the wild side. It's in that mid-level, which I appreciate. Doesn't drone on the inside, it's just enough. But I like the exhaust on both of these trucks. This Space White's hitting pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie. I like this Space, is pretty legit. We need some Raptors in the Space White. I really would like that, y'all. But 6-inch kits. We got the Bushwhacker, seamless, no rivets on the side. I like how this looks. They don't protrude out too much, so a more sleek fender flare. I'm not a big fender flare guy. I'm not a big fender flare guy. That's kind of back when I was growing up. Not so much now. But this is okay. I'm okay with this fender flare here. Let me know what you think about fender flares, and obviously hit us up for doing an Everest Edition package on your truck. Okay. On this one here, did the same leather on it. So these two trucks are identical, 12-inch screen, upgraded with leather. Price point wise, this one's available, so let's talk about this one. MKE 57573. We're at $85,200 before discount. $23,125 is our package upfit amount on this one, and this one not gonna last. I also thought this one was gonna sell quicker than the blue one, but both are diamonds. Let's show them one more shot. Kind of stepping back. So clean. Let me know what y'all guys and gals think about this side protector addition. I'm not so sure about this. I kind of want to take that off on both of these trucks, but let me know what you guys think, because what y'all think, the feedback you give us makes a great deal to us too, because you're the consumers. What you want is what we want to produce for you guys. So let me know about that. And then the Velocity Blue, should we do more Velocity Blue customizations? I think yes, right? So Kevin's about to go fill this bad boy up. And thank y'all so much for watching. As always, you got to stay tuned for more, because we're not going to stop, y'all. My man Dayton, tell him what you got, dog. Tell him How many trucks you got? How many custom trucks you got rolling?
I got some custom trucks coming. We got Mark G in Arizona, F-450 Platinum Stormtrooper coming. We got Sims.
Let's get Kev.
That truck is a good looking truck right there though. We got some more builds like that coming for sure. But we got some big trucks in the making.
We got Expedition.
Yep.
We got a lot. Kevin and Dayton do a great job of doing accessories. So
thanks guys.
Thank y'all much for watching.